Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily Lessons.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy that you're here with us today.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. On this channel, we help you practice real, simple English for everyday life.
If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English Daily Lessons and like this video. It really helps our channel grow and keeps new lessons coming.
Yes, thank you so much for your support.
Today, we're talking about a very fun topic.
Exactly. Today's topic is our best and favorite foods.
I love talking about food. This is going to be a delicious conversation.
So, Sarah, how are you today?
I'm great. I had a really nice weekend.
Oh, nice. What did you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I visited my family. We had a big dinner together at my parents' house.
That sounds wonderful. What did you eat for this big family dinner?
We had chicken with rice and vegetables. My mom cooked everything, so of course it was very tasty.
Mother's cooking is always the best.
And on Sunday, I stayed at home, relaxed, and cooked a simple plate of pasta for myself.
Pasta is always a good idea.
Yes, pasta never disappoints. So, food. Big question, Charlie. What is your number one favorite food?
That is a very difficult question. I like so many things. It's like asking me to choose my favorite star in the sky.
That's a beautiful way to say it. But come on, you must have one food you love the most.
Okay. I think my top favorite food is pizza.
Pizza! Classic answer. Why do you love pizza so much?
Because eating pizza is like a party in my mouth. You have soft, warm bread, rich tomato sauce, and melted cheese, and you can put so many things on top. Vegetables, meat, different cheeses. Every pizza can be different, so it's never boring.
That's true. Pizza is very flexible.
What about you, Sarah? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Sushi, really? Interesting. I tried sushi once, and it was kind of an adventure for me.
An adventure? You mean you didn't like it?
The fish felt a bit cold, and the seaweed, that black paper around it, was a little strange and chewy. But maybe I chose the wrong sushi place.
Maybe. There are many kinds of sushi. You don't have to start with raw fish. You can try sushi with cooked shrimp or just cucumber inside.
Cooked shrimp sounds less scary.
My favorite type is salmon sushi. The salmon is very fresh and soft. It almost melts in your mouth. It's amazing.
Melts in your mouth. I love that phrase. Okay, maybe I'll try salmon sushi next time.
So your favorite food is sushi, and mine is pizza. But Charlie, what kind of pizza? What are your favorite toppings?
Toppings? What do you mean by toppings?
Toppings are the things you put on top of the pizza, like cheese, mushrooms, peppers, or olives.
Ah, okay, I understand. My favorite toppings are pepperoni and extra cheese. I love it when the cheese is long and stretchy when you pick up a slice.
What about olives?
Oh no, I really don't like olives.
You don't like olives? Why?
Because they're too salty and the flavor is very strong. It's not for me.
That's funny. I love olives. They're like small bites of strong flavor.
All right, food lovers, stay with us. In a moment, we'll talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and comfort food, and give you lots of easy English phrases you can copy. Don't go anywhere.
And before we continue, if you're enjoying this conversation, pause for 1 second, click like, and subscribe to English Daily Lessons so you don't miss our next food and daily life episodes.
Okay, let's move to breakfast. What's your favorite breakfast food? Is it pizza?
For breakfast, no. Pizza is too heavy in the morning. For breakfast, I like something lighter. My favorite breakfast is yogurt with fresh fruit, like berries and a little honey. And I like a cup of green tea.
That sounds very healthy. I'm not so healthy in the morning. I usually eat toast with butter and jam. It's fast and easy.
Toast is good too. What kind of jam do you put on it?
Always strawberry jam. It's sweet and has small pieces of fruit. Do you like jam?
I do, but I actually like orange marmalade more. It's a little bitter and a little sweet. It tastes great on toast.
Bitter flavors in the morning? No thanks. I need something sweet when I wake up.
Okay, let's talk about breakfast for you.
For my dream breakfast, I love pancakes with maple syrup and crispy bacon. The sweet pancakes with salty bacon, perfect combination.
Pancakes are delicious, but if I eat that, I feel sleepy.
True. Now, what about lunch?
For lunch, I often eat a big salad. For example, a chicken salad with lots of vegetables: lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and carrots.
A salad is healthy, but I'm hungry again after 1 hour. My stomach is like, hello, where is the real food?
Then you need a big sandwich.
Yes, for lunch, I usually go for a ham and cheese sandwich on white or brown bread. Sometimes I add lettuce and tomato to make it feel a little more healthy.
Sounds good. Okay, now the star of the day, dinner.
Yes, dinner, the champion meal.
For dinner, what's your favorite thing to eat? Not pizza.
For dinner, I really love a big burger. A cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, onion, and a big pile of French fries on the side.
I like burgers too, but I don't eat them very often.
Why not?
They can be very heavy and greasy with lots of oil. During the week, I try to eat healthier food.
That makes sense. So what does a healthy dinner look like for you?
I like grilled fish, like salmon, with steamed vegetables such as broccoli and carrots, or sometimes a warm bowl of soup. Hot soup is perfect on a cold evening.
Oh, I love soup. Tomato soup is my favorite. I like it with a grilled cheese sandwich. The bread is hot, the cheese is melted, and I can dip the sandwich into the soup. Amazing.
That really sounds like comfort food.
Comfort food. What exactly does that mean?
Comfort food is food that makes you feel warm, happy, and safe inside. It often reminds you of your family, your home, or your childhood.
Oh, yes. Then my grandmother's apple pie is definitely my comfort food.
Do you have another special food from your childhood?
When I was a child, my mom made amazing chicken soup when I was sick. It always made me feel better. It was like magic medicine in a bowl.
That sounds lovely. Food isn't just for hunger. It can give us feelings, memories, comfort, and happiness.
Exactly. Friends watching, keep listening. In the next part, we'll talk about cooking, recipes, and trying foods from other countries, plus more useful food vocabulary. Stay with us so you can use these phrases in your own English.
So, let's talk about cooking. Do you like to cook, Charlie?
I really enjoy cooking. I cook almost every day. I like trying new recipes from the internet.
Recipes, good word.
Yes, a recipe is like a plan for cooking. It tells you which ingredients you need and what steps to follow.
And ingredients are the different foods or items you use to make a dish. For example, for a cake, you need flour, eggs, sugar, and butter.
Exactly. Sometimes I follow the recipe exactly, and sometimes I change it a little and get creative, add different spices or herbs.
Wow, that's nice. Can you cook sushi?
No way. Sushi is too difficult for me. You need special rice and very fresh fish. For good sushi, I always go to a restaurant.
Okay, so what is your best dish? The thing you cook the best?
I think my best dish is spaghetti carbonara. It's pasta with eggs, cheese, and small pieces of bacon. It's creamy, salty, and not too hard to make.
That sounds amazing. Can I come to your house for dinner someday?
Maybe one day.
What about me? Do I cook a lot? I cook a little. I'm not a super chef, but I can make simple things: scrambled eggs, pasta, salads, and of course, toast.
So, you're a toast expert level 100.
Yes, I know exactly how long to toast bread to make it golden brown. Not too dark, not too light.
Let's talk about sweet and salty. Which do you like more?
I definitely have a sweet tooth. That means I really love sweet food. I love chocolate, cakes, cookies, and ice cream.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate. Always chocolate. Dark chocolate is the best. And you?
I like strawberry ice cream. It's fruity and fresh. Sometimes I like chocolate chip, too.
Okay, and salty things?
I love salty snacks like potato chips and pretzels. I can eat a big bag of chips while watching a movie.
Let's talk about fruit. What's your favorite fruit?
Probably bananas. They're easy to eat. You don't need to wash them. Just peel and eat. Very practical.
I love strawberries. They're a little sweet and a little sour. They're perfect in yogurt or just on their own.
And vegetables?
I like most vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, peppers. I eat a lot of salads.
I like corn and potatoes, but I really don't like broccoli. It looks like a tiny green tree. I feel like a giant eating a forest.
It does look like a little tree, but it's very good for you. It has lots of vitamins.
I know, but the taste is a bit bitter for me.
Do you enjoy food from other countries?
Yes, I love trying international food. It's like traveling with your mouth. I really like Thai food, spicy and sour soups like tom yum.
Spicy? Oh no, I don't like very spicy food. It's too hot for me. My face turns red and I need to drink lots of water.
You can try mild spicy food, not too hot, just a little bit of spice. Maybe you prefer Italian food like pasta or pizza, safe and delicious.
Yes, Italian food feels safe and tasty for me.
Is there any food you really don't like?
I'm not a fan of very strong blue cheese. The smell is too strong, like old socks.
I understand. Blue cheese is an acquired taste. Some people love it, some people really hate it. I also don't like very greasy food, too much oil. After greasy food, your fingers are shiny.
Yes, greasy food can feel heavy in your stomach. Good sometimes, but not every day.
Do you drink coffee, Sarah?
Not really. Coffee makes me feel a bit nervous. I prefer tea. Green tea or herbal tea like chamomile tea in the evening.
Tea is calm and relaxing. I'm different. I need coffee every morning. I drink black coffee with 1 sugar. Before coffee, I'm like a robot without power.
I know that feeling. Okay, what about restaurants? When you go out to eat, what do you usually order?
I usually order fish or a pasta dish. I like to see how other cooks make pasta.
When I go to a restaurant, I look at the menu for a very long time. I want to try everything. In the end, I often order a steak with potatoes or a big burger.
Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Not always, but if there is chocolate cake or cheesecake, I always find a little space.
Me too. I think we all have a special dessert stomach. It's always empty and ready.
What about snacks?
My favorite snack is popcorn. I make it at home. Salty popcorn, not sweet. It's perfect for movie nights.
I like nuts, almonds or cashews. They're healthy and give me energy.
Do you like to bake cakes or cookies?
I like baking. On weekends, sometimes I bake banana bread. The whole house smells amazing.
I don't bake. I only bake toast. But I am a very good helper. I can eat everything you bake.
Good to know. So if I bake a cake, you will come and eat it?
Yes, I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'm a professional cake eater.
All right, one last big question. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Only one? That's so hard. Maybe pizza again, because you can change it. Different toppings, different styles. It's like many foods in one.
Smart answer. For me, maybe good bread with butter. You can eat it with everything. Soup, cheese, jam.
Bread is a great choice. No wonder they say it's the staff of life.
Wow, beautiful phrase. You are very poetic today, especially about food.
That's because I'm hungry. All this talk about food makes me want lunch.
Same here. But before we go and eat, stay with us. In the next part, we'll review important food vocabulary from this episode, so you can use these words in your own English conversations.
Okay, before we run to the kitchen, let's look again at some useful food words we used today. We'll explain them slowly so you can really remember.
Great idea. The first word was
toppings.
Right. Toppings are the things you put on top of food to add flavor and make it more interesting.
For pizza, toppings can be pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, or extra cheese.
And for ice cream, toppings can be chocolate sauce, nuts, strawberries, or small pieces of candy.
Next word, recipe.
A recipe is a set of instructions that tells you how to cook something. It also lists all the ingredients you need.
And ingredients are the different foods you use in a recipe. For example, for a cake, you need flour, eggs, sugar, and butter. Those are the ingredients.
We also use the word greasy.
Yes, greasy describes food with a lot of oil or fat. For example, some fried chicken or French fries can be very greasy. Your fingers feel shiny after you eat.
Then we talked about salty and sweet.
Salty foods taste like salt. Chips, pretzels, bacon. Sweet foods taste like sugar. Cake, chocolate, ice cream.
We also used a nice phrase, sweet tooth.
If you have a sweet tooth, it means you really love sweet food and desserts.
Next important phrase, comfort food.
Comfort food is food that makes you feel good, safe, and relaxed. Maybe because it reminds you of home or your childhood.
For example, my comfort food is my grandmother's apple pie.
And mine is my mom's chicken soup when I'm sick.
Another word was flavor.
Yes, flavor means the taste of food or drink. Strawberry ice cream has a strawberry flavor. Coffee has a strong, sometimes bitter flavor.
Finally, we talked about frying.
Frying is a way of cooking food in hot oil. When you make French fries or fry an egg in a pan with oil, you are frying it. Fried food is often tasty, but sometimes a bit greasy.
Let's repeat them once more. Toppings, recipe, ingredients, greasy, salty, sweet, sweet tooth, comfort food, flavor, frying.
Nice. You're becoming a little food expert in English.
Now let's do a quick summary of what we talked about today.
We started with our favorite foods. You love sushi, especially salmon sushi.
And I love pizza with pepperoni and a lot of cheese.
Then we talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pancakes, yogurt, sandwiches, salads, burgers, grilled fish, and soup.
We also talked about childhood foods like apple pie and chicken soup, and we learned the idea of comfort food, food that makes your heart feel happy.
Then we talked about cooking, using recipes and ingredients, trying food from other countries, and different tastes like sweet, salty, and spicy.
And of course, we met some enemies like very greasy food, blue cheese, and super spicy dishes.
Most important, you got real, simple English to talk about your favorite food, your daily meals, and how food makes you feel.
Now it's your turn. This is our question of the day, so you can practice in the comments.
Yes, today's question is, what is your ultimate comfort food? The one food that makes you feel happy and safe, and why?
Maybe it's a soup from your mother, a special dessert from your country, or just warm bread with butter.
Please write your answer in the comments in simple English. Even 1 or 2 sentences is perfect. For example, my comfort food is chicken soup because my mom made it for me when I was sick. Or, my comfort food is chocolate cake. It makes me feel happy after a long day.
We really love reading your comments. We'll try to read as many as we can and maybe reply to some of them.
And remember, this is a safe place to practice English. No one is perfect. We are all learning together.
Before we say goodbye, if this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons.
Yes, and don't forget to click the little bell so you know when a new lesson is ready.
And now, for more practice, you can choose another video on the screen. Maybe a random English Daily Lessons video about daily life or food. Just click and keep practicing with us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and maybe eat something tasty today.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time on English Daily Lessons.